talk about AML, we're referring to the money laundering regulations, which require that companies have anti-money laundering measures in place. So that's where AML comes from. And this puts an obligation on companies to understand their customers and monitor the activity of their customers. In summary, there's other requirements as well. So when we talk about KYC, we mean know your customer checks. So as part of understanding who your customers are and what they do, you need to know your customer, KYC. Now the customer might be a private individual or the customer might be another company. So sometimes the term KYB is used, know your business. Essentially all the same thing. So Contego helps our customers with their money laundering procedures in a number of ways. First of all, we're helping with the customer onboarding process to make sure that the KYC, the Know Your Customer checks, are performed. And we can check companies, major shareholders, beneficial owners, directors and/or our identity documents in a single real-time check. So that KYC process, enhanced KYC processes, are core elements of an anti-money laundering regime. We also help customers with monitoring. So it's not just about onboarding your customers, it's then monitoring their activity. Now we don't look at financial transactions, but we are looking at the nature of the company. So you need to understand your customers to do KYC, so you do KYC checks to make sure you've got AML measures in place to comply with the money laundering regulations.